Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to discuss another important concept of English grammar, which is called determiners. And before going to discuss the parts of determiners, we like to say determiners are classified in variety parts such as possessive determiners, demonstrative determiners, quantitative determiners, ordinal determiners, cardinal determiners, and distributive determiners. But among the determiners, I have to discuss from exam point of view, it is very important, which is called quantitative determiners. In quantitative determiners, we will get the concept. One is countable noun and other is uncountable noun. Because some quantitative determiners we have to use in countable nouns and other some determiners we have to use in uncountable nouns. Okay. If I discuss it one after another, then I think it will be very easy for you. First of all, countable noun. Which are determiners? There we have to use in countable nouns such as few, a few, the few, many, a lot of, large number of, every, is, any. They are the determiners which are used in countable nouns. If I make examples, make some sentences by using this is an individual determiner, then I think it will definitely help you so much. Okay. And few meaning is almost negative. Suppose all boys went out from the room. All boys went out from the room. Few are sitting there. All of them went out. Almost one or two are sitting. In case we have to use few determiners. A few. Suppose there is only a few, or there is only a few mango in the basket. When we will get only if the noun is countable, then we have to use a few determiners. The few. Suppose he gave the few apple what he has in his hand, or we may say he gave the few apple to the beggar what are in his hand. Many boys are playing in the field. In this way we have to write, or a lot of, I have lots of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. Okay. Large number of cows are grazing in the field. In this way we make sentences. Every boys are polite. Every boys are, or everyone is polite. In this way we use this particular concept of determiner. Each boys are get the prize, or each of the guards get the prize. In this way we make sentences by using this particular determiners. Any is generally used in interrogative sentence when it will be interrogative sentence, and when the noun is countable. In case we have to use any. Suppose, can you give me any novel? Can you give me any novel? Okay, in this way we have to make sentences from this particular determiners. Next, uncountable nouns. Some determiners are there which are used in uncountable nouns such as little, a little, the little, more, much, some. They are the basic determiners we have to use in uncountable nouns. Suppose little is generally used almost negative. Suppose a busy man has little time to waste. Almost negative. He has no time, means a busy man has little time to waste. A little. Suppose there is only a little milk in the pot or in the jar. In this way we make sentences. When we will get only and noun will be uncountable, then we have to use a little determiners. The little. Suppose in this way, suppose we may write he gave the person the little money what he earns today. In this way we make sentence by using the little determiner. More. He is more younger than her. Okay. In this way he is more younger than her. In this way we can write much. Suppose he could do the work without much difficulty. Some is also used in generally in interrogative sentence when the noun will be uncountable noun. Suppose in case we make examples, make sentences in this way. Suppose, can you give me some money? In this way we make sentences. Okay. Or other cases we also write I need some help from you. Okay. Also in affirmative sentence we can use some determiners. Next, article. The concept of article is also included in the form of determiner. There are three articles, A and D. Again, it is classified. It is classified two parts. One is definite, another is indefinite. The is definite article and both are indefinite article. N is generally used when there will be vowel. Okay, in that case we have to use N. Otherwise we have to use A. in some exceptional form, although sometimes it start with vowel, but when sound will be consonant sound, in that case we have to use a. And other sometimes when it start with consonant but sound will be vowel, then in case we have to use an article. And da is definite article which are used in that particular circumstances. And there I taken some example from my exam paper of 2020 SSC exam paper. Let's discuss it. First one is, they won the match without much difficulty. Without much difficulty. Next one, reading is a useful hobby. Next one, I gave him the few books I had. Next one, he has to feed his family with the little money he earns. Next one, a busy man has little time to waste. There is only a little milk in the pot. In this way, we have to discuss other examples also which are left today. I will discuss in my next class. Thank you.